When an item is created, SharePoint. Hello everyone, welcome back to our series on Power Automate. Today we're diving into a powerful trigger called When an item is created in SharePoint. This trigger is fantastic for automating workflows whenever a new item is added to your SharePoint list. So, let's jump right in. To start, open your web browser and navigate to your SharePoint site, logging in with your Microsoft account. Once you're in SharePoint, look for the New button, usually located at the top left of the page, and select List. Let's name our list Project Tasks. Now we need to set up some columns in our list. Click on Add Column and let's create the following. First, a column called Title with a type of single line of text. This will be the name of the task. Next, add a column called Assigned To with a type of person or group for the team member responsible for the task. Then, add a column called Due Date with a type of date and time to track when the task is due. Lastly, let's create a column called Status with a type of choice, providing options like Not Started, In Progress, and Completed. Once your list is set up, you're ready to create your flow. Now, in a new tab, open Power Automate and log in. Click on Create in the left-hand menu and select Automated Flow. Give your flow a name such as Notify when task created, and in the trigger search bar, type When an item is created and select it. Next, you'll need to specify the SharePoint site and the list you just created. Select your site and then choose Project Tasks from the list drop-down. Now, let's add an action to send an email. Click on New Step to add an action. Search for Send an Email V2 in Outlook and select it. Fill out the email settings. In the To field, enter your email address where you'd like to receive notifications. For the subject, type New Task Created so you can easily recognize it. In the body, you can include useful information about the new task. Here's where dynamic content comes into play. Don't worry if you see options that look unfamiliar. We'll dive into how to use them in more detail later on. For now, just remember that you can click on the fields that say Title, Assigned to, and Due Date from the Dynamic Content panel to automatically pull in the information related to the new item. For example, you could write something like, "A new task has been created." Once you've filled out the email action, make sure to save your flow. This ensures that everything you just set up is active and ready to go. Now let's test it. Go back to your SharePoint list and click on New to create a new task. Fill in the fields and save it. After saving the item, switch over to your email and check for a notification titled New Task Created. If you see it, congratulations! Your flow is working perfectly. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a flow that triggers when a new item is created in SharePoint. This can help keep your team informed and organized. Before we wrap up, remember that the response time for this trigger can vary based on your Microsoft 365 license. A standard license may have a delay of up to 15 minutes, while premium licenses usually trigger within 1 minute. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or want to see more examples, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm here to help.